Baptist Health System would like to wish you and your loved ones a happy Memorial Day. And we want to honor those men and women who have served our country and have sacrificed their lives. Also, we want to share a healthy, patriotic recipe with you today. This is patriotic chia parfait. So let's get started. First, we're going to make our chia pudding. So all you need are 2 ingredients. You need chia seeds and vanilla Greek yogurt. When you add yogurt in your diet, you're going to be getting a good source of probiotics. That is going to aid in digestion, and also it's going to build up our immunity. With the chia seeds, don't let the size of these little seeds fool you. They are packed with nutrients. They're rich in omega-3s, fiber, and even some protein, so excellent for heart health. So for our recipe to make the chia pudding, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. So we're going to stir this in. You want to let this sit for at least 30 minutes. So this is going to allow the chia seeds to swell up and create our pudding for our parfait. You can also let it sit overnight too. Okay, now we're ready to assemble our parfaits. So our inspiration for our parfaits are, of course, the American flag. So the berries I chose are red raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. So we're going to start assembling layer by layer fruit and alternating with the chia pudding. You can put this in a mason jar, or you can also just throw it in a bowl. Adding fresh berries, fruit, vegetables to your diet is a great way to lose weight, even maintain your weight, and also prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and may even prevent certain cancers. So this is an easy, delicious way to get in, as you can see, a serving of fruit. So there you go. We'll finish it off with some more blueberries, and you can have this for a breakfast, a dessert, or even a snack. Here is our patriotic parfaits. And I am going to invite our friends from Mission Trail Baptist Hospital to enjoy these tasty treats. Come on, guys, come enjoy. So again, from Baptist Health System, we want to wish you and your loved ones a safe and happy Memorial Day. For more health tips, to find a physician, or to find out more information about our free community classes, visit us at www.baptisthealthsystem.com. See you soon.